Hey guys, check this out. So Trevor at Worldwide Burl has these auctions almost every day during the weekday, and I bid on a few pieces here. I just received them today. Check out the grain on this burl. Awesome grain, color. Both sides look really good. I love it, just love it. A few voids, but I'll fill those, make the colors match. All good here. Awesome, beautiful pieces. Beautiful color. I love it. And threw in a small piece here, I guess, to fill the box. Different color there. That's pretty cool. Any rate, love it. Check you later. Bye.